Today, let us see theorem from circle topic. The statement of that theorem. The chords corresponding to congruent arcs. Remember that? We have to show that the chords corresponding to congruent arcs. So this is given. Congruent arcs are given. And we have to show that the chords are congruent. The chords which are corresponding to congruent arcs. So what is given there? Center is B, and in that circle arc APC and arc DQE, two arcs are congruent, that is given. And the corresponding chord is AC, and the next corresponding chord is DE. We have to prove chords AC and DE are congruent. That is, we are going to prove that, and we write here given. So, for the proof of this theorem, if we see that about arc APC, about arc DQE, that is given. So you can start with the given thing. What is that? Arc APC and arc DQE are congruent. So what is that? This is given. And we know by the definition of congruent arcs in the same circle or in the congruent circles, if the arcs are congruent, measures must be equal. So measure of arc APC is equal to measure of arc DQE. We can use number in here from 1, and if this is 2, measures are equal. We write there measures of both arcs same, equal. Now we have to show that AC chord and DE chord, they are congruent. For that, use that joining BA and BC, radii of same circle, and joining BD and BE. So you can write here join BA, BC, BD and BE. So you can write there, draw 4 radii, BA, BC, BD and BE. And if we join, you are getting two triangles, triangle number 1 and triangle number 2. Now, we can compare two triangles. What is the name of the first triangle? You can see the name of the first triangle, BAC, and the second triangle, BDE. In two triangles, you are getting BA radius and BD radius, radii of same circle, congruent. Similarly, what about this? BC is the side of the first triangle, but it is the radius, and BE is the radius, but it is the side of the second triangle. So in two triangles, we are finding two sides are congruent. So we can write congruent elements between two triangles. Before that, by using this, measures are equal. If the measure APC is equal with the measure DQE, you can see the measure of central angle. the corresponding central angle. What is the name of central angle there? ABC, corresponding to arc APC. So measure of angle ABC must be equal to measure of angle DBE. It is, what is proved here? Measures are equal, then the central angles are equal. So the measure of central angle measures are equal there. Now consider triangle. Now in triangle ABC and triangle DBE, write down all known congruent elements. So what is that segment? Segment AB or side AB is congruent with segment DB. Reason, radii of same circle. After that, use this angle. Angle ABC is congruent with angle DBE because measures are equal. So from 3. And what about the segment? Another segment, it is BC. It is congruent with segment BE. Again same result, radii of same circle. So definitely two triangles. Which are two triangles? ABC and triangle DBE are congruent by which theorem? By SAS test. Side, angle, side. And if two triangles are proved congruent, then the corresponding elements are congruent. What are the corresponding remaining elements there? What about AC there? AC must be congruent with DE. So this is the reason. Therefore, segment AC and segment DE are congruent. Reason, corresponding sides of congruent triangles. But AC is the chord there and DE is the chord there. So they are congruent. That is proved. You can change the last step. Chord AC and chord DE are congruent. So by using the definition of measure of arc, it is corresponding with central angle. Central angle and corresponding measure of minor arc, they are equal. We are using the property of measure of arc with respect to central angle. So this is the proof of this theorem. Chords corresponding to congruent arcs. This is the chord corresponding with the congruent arcs. So DE and AC are equal or congruent because the arcs are congruent. That is proved. So you can write down this theorem again and again. This is important theorem. Okay, thank you.